solve this question and let me know what you get. Or you can follow along as I solve. All right, so let's try to solve this. We're trying to find the area of this big circle. Okay, so now we have two small semicircles and we have these points, and let's assume they are tangent points. Okay, so now we know that this length from here to here is 4, and this is also from here to here is 4. This is a big square, so all the sides are equal. Right, so now we know that this, if we draw a center point here, this becomes 2 and 2, because this is the diameter here of this semicircle. So this becomes 2, 2. We'll put another center point here, and this becomes 2, and this becomes 2 centimeters. So we have 2 as a radius, 2 as a radius here, 2 radius, 2 radius there. Right, so we can draw straight line to join that and also to join that. Now we know that this whole length is 8. That means this whole length as well is also 8. Now we're going to try to extend this line, both lines. So wherever they meet is going to be the center of this circle. It's not drawn to scale, but since they are tangent lines, where they meet is the center of this circle. Right, so now we know this is 2 because this is the radius of this semicircle, which is also equal to this length. And so this is also 2 as well, 2 centimeters. So now what do? We know that from here to here, let's call it big R. This is also big R. All right, so that means that we can extend this line from here to there, straight line. And then we can also draw the same straight line all the way down to here. Now, because we have this radius touching a tangent line, therefore we have a 90-degree angle there. And then, because this is a square, these sides are equal. So this also is 90 degrees. Now, this is our radius as well. So we have this as radius, this as big radius, that big radius, and then the small radiuses. Okay. Now we know this entire length is also equal to this entire length, 8. So now we know this radius is represented as R. Therefore, from here all the way down here would become 8 minus big R. So now we have this length, 8 minus big R. We have this length, which is 2. And then we have this length, which is R plus 2. So now, this is the shape that we have. We have this right angle triangle. This is 2. This is 8 minus R. And then this is R plus 2. Remember, we're trying to find the area of this big circle. Okay? Now, we know that 8 minus R all squared plus 2 squared is equal to R plus 2 all squared. Okay? So this becomes 64 minus 16R plus R squared plus 2 squared equals R squared plus 4r plus 4. So this becomes 64 minus 16r plus r squared plus 4 equals r squared plus 4r plus 4. So let's see if anything cancels out. 4 cancels out. And what else cancels out? R squared. They both cancel out. So what do we have left? We have 64 minus 16r equals 4r. 16r can come over to this side and it will become plus 16r. So we have 64 equals 4r plus 16r. 64 equals 20r. Therefore, r is equal to 64 divided by 20, which would give us 3.2. 10, 32, 3.2. Okay, right. Now we know our big R is 3.2 centimeters. Now, what's the area of a circle? Area of a circle is pi r squared. Since we're dealing with the big R, so we're dealing with the big circle, so it's pi r squared. So this becomes pi 3.2 centimeters squared. Okay, the area is equal to pi 3.2 times 3.2 will give us 10.24 cm squared. So therefore the area is 10.24 pi centimeter squared. And that is the area of our big circle. So if you enjoyed this video, do well to subscribe to this channel, give us a thumbs up, put your comments in the comment section. They're all very much appreciated. Until I see you on the next video, take care and bye-bye.